Here's
Yeah.
Colt. Colt is afraid of the balloon.
Yes, he is really afraid of the balloon. And he couldn't come near it because it was stuck up there for a long time. Now it's all crumbly and now it can't go up there.
Okay.
Colt, come here. Come here. So I think, should I get his toy and
No, just stay
make
where.
him do it?
No, just call him.
Colt.
Colt,
Colt.
come here.
Colt. Colt. Come here. Come here. Colt. Come here.
Drop. Come here.
Aw.
Here, throw me the balloon. Throw me the balloon. Now call him.
Colt. Colt. Come here. He's ready.
Throw James the balloon again. Call Colt. No, give it to James and throw.
Here, you're on video. Come on.
Macy, come on, give it to James. Now call him.
Colt, come here. Here you Colt, come here. Colt, come here, Colt.
He's watching you. Where's it going? Oh. What is that? What is it, buddy? Get the balloon. Get it, Colt.
Go. Go, get it.
Move the jar. Move the vase of the decor so I can see him better.
Colt.
Come here,
Colt.
buddy.
Come here, boy.
Macy, leave it there and have him come back.
Come here,
Just
Colt.
leave it.
Okay, sorry.
No, leave it by the.
Go get it. Go get it.
Get it, Colt.
Go get it.
Go get it.
He's like, huh? Want a piece of me?
Here, call him in here.
Colt, come here. Go get it. Colt, come here. Come here.
Colt, come here. Come here, boy. Go lay down in your bed.